next, guys? Thank you very much. Great job. Next, we're dressing her up. Second dress, which is a netty mesh fabric, and this was hand woven by Diana. Stay like that, stay like that. Just look at it. It's really beautiful. We can shoot her with the fish and so we are still shooting the second model. That's her right there. We are on the third look, and it's been like lots of screaming and stay there, but so far I think we have some of the looks that we want, but we still have like 5 more looks to go. So oh yes, very nice. Open that like that. No, push it forward. She's our next model. Oh, what is her name?
Mike.
What dress do you have? Let's see. Nice.
Not so nice.
Oh, please, come on.
That's ubad ka.
That's great.
What do you think?
No, cancel, destroy. Abort. Abort. Made from?
Bubble sheet.
Do we need paints or anything?
Yes. Baby, go.
We need the pins from that dress. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. We're done with the shirts. We did like 7 different looks, 7 unique looks, and it's time to go back home.